The city of Augusta bracing for thousands of those evacuees. Emergency officials will meet again today to finalize their plans. Right now, though, WJBF News Channel 6's Ashley Doss is live at a local shelter. Ashley, those evacuees are going to be headed our way.
Good morning to you, Mary. That's right. We could actually start to see some of those evacuees coming in as early as tomorrow morning. So, of course, the city is doing everything that they can to prepare to open up shelters to welcome them into the city. Now, they currently have an agreement with Chatham County to house at least 3,000 of those evacuees. They are already partnering with the American Red Cross here to open up shelters in schools, community centers, and churches if needed. Now, due to their previous experience with housing evacuees during Hurricane Matthew, Fire Chief Chris James says they've been able to tweak their plan to possibly house even more.
What the plan does is make sure that our city is prepared to handle as best we can what comes. Doesn't mean we'll be perfect, but as best we can. We know it's coming. We know what kind of setup. Will the numbers overwhelm us again? That's a possibility, but we are preparing.
Now, again, today, city officials will meet starting at 10 a.m. to discuss those preparations for Hurricane Irma. And, of course, we'll bring you live coverage once we get more information. But for now, reporting live, I'm Ashley Doss from WJBF News Channel 6. Back to you, Mary.
All right. Thank you, Ashley.